Hey friends, I'm Mia. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a really easy and delicious chocolate cherry muffin. The first thing you want to do is combine your dry ingredients. We have oat flour, almond flour, arrowroot flour, cocoa powder, coconut sugar. We have instant coffee crystals, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Whisk all of your dry ingredients together until really well combined. Set aside, and now we're going to start on our wet ingredients. We have 3 eggs, maple syrup, some light olive oil, vanilla and almond extract, and cherry juice. Whisk all of this together. Now we're going to combine our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients. Mix well. Now we're going to add our chocolate chunks and our dried cherries. Give that a good mix, and then fill your cupcake tins to about 3/4 of the way full. Give them a little extra decoration with some oats, some extra chocolate chunks, some dried cherries. Pop them in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes and enjoy.